Hi, my name is Christian, and today is my birthday, November 14th, 2021. And guess what? It's also Diabetic Awareness Day. What a coincidence, right? Around the world, Diabetic Awareness Day raises awareness and provides education concerning the disease that affects over 400 million people internationally. My little sister Ikik, she's one of them. Today, my family and I are wearing T1D t-shirts, and we're also spreading awareness as well. I am a proud brother of a T1D hero.
And I am a proud cousin of a Type 1 hero.
Okay.
I am a proud cousin of a Type 1 hero.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you know that before 1922, Type 1 diabetes was a death sentence? Before the discovery of insulin in the year 1922, the life expectancy of people with diabetes was from a few months to years. In 1889, two German researchers, Oskar Minkowski and Joseph van Buring, found that when the pancreas was removed from dogs, they produced diabetic symptoms and died soon afterwards. This led to the idea that the pancreas gland was the site where pancreatic substances, or insulin, were produced. In 1921, the breakthrough research happened at the University of Toronto, where Dr. Frederick Banting, a Canadian surgeon, and Charles Best, a medical student, successfully isolated the hormone insulin and used it as an injection for dogs, which proved that insulin can normalize blood sugar levels. In January 1922, Leonard Thompson, a 14-year-old boy dying from diabetes in the Toronto hospital, became the first person to receive an insulin injection. Within 24 hours, Leonard's dangerously high blood glucose levels dropped to near normal levels. As we can see, a child before and after insulin therapy. Can you imagine being a parent of type 1 diabetic children?
After the first discovery of insulin from dogs, insulin from cattle and pigs were used to treat diabetes. It saved millions of lives for many years. That insulin wasn't perfect. It caused allergic reactions to many patients. The first genetically engineered human insulin was produced in 1978. Nowadays, insulin comes in many different forms, from regular human-based insulin, which is identical to what our body produces, to ultra-rapid and ultra-long-acting insulins. Now, people with diabetes can choose from a variety of formulas and ways to take their insulin depending on their personal needs and lifestyles. Thanks for diabetic researchers, insulin has came a long way to treating people with diabetes. It may not be a cure, but it's literally a lifesaver.
So why is November 14 chosen to be Diabetic Awareness Day? In honor of Dr. Frederick Banting, his birthday is November 14, which is chosen to be Diabetic Awareness Day worldwide.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about diabetes, click the subscribe button and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!